Hi, I'm Steve Lombardi, and this is who you're listening to, and this is how to contact me if you have any questions. It's going to be a short video because I have a lot to do in the month of October. I'm completely booked up, and I'm getting a lot of calls on workers' compensation, and I went to one of my YouTube channels and saw that there were a whole lot of questions and a whole lot of angry people, a whole lot of angry injured workers who were complaining that their complaints weren't being taken seriously. They weren't receiving the proper medical care. They didn't trust the nurse case manager. They thought their employers didn't care about them. And I'm just going to say this to you. There were changes that were made to Iowa's workers' compensation laws that were effective July 1st of 2017. And those changes were significant. They not only were significant, but they were mean-spirited, and their intention was to deny you the opportunity for representation and fair treatment. Essentially, what they wanted to do was to have an avenue to bring you back to work after you received the treatment and got a permanency rating, make your life miserable, allow you to quit or make you quit, and then for them to not have to pay you permanency benefits. That's the changes that were made. Now, don't be mad at your lawyers, because quite frankly, there's not a whole lot we can do about it. The law is the law. And I will say this to you. If you voted Republican or you didn't vote at all, then you have no one to blame except yourself. You got what you deserve. You got what you voted for, because when you voted for the Republicans, they told you what they were going to do, and then they did it to you. They gave you what they said they were going to do to you. So don't blame the lawyers, and don't get mad at the lawyers about not returning your calls, because the way the law is set up right now, the only way lawyers can work in the workers' comp field is to be a volume lawyer. And a volume lawyer simply means they're not going to return your calls because they can't afford to. And if we can't get paid, then we can't take workers' compensation cases. And the reason for that is quite simple. We have bills to pay just like you do. So if you have any questions here, you're talking to Steve Lombardi, or you're listening to him anyways. You got questions, post them underneath the YouTube website, and I'll be more than happy to try to answer them. You have a good day, and if you're an injured worker, I feel sorry for you.